Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to give you guys a tutorial of one of the most powerful QML plus liquidity fake out setup right here. So for that and more, make sure you watch the rest of the video actually to see more examples of this happening. Alright, so what you always want to look for, trust me, and if you could only master one setup, this will be the one, right? If you just master this, trust me, you are going to be a consistently profitable trader. So make sure you watch the rest of the video and everything. Alright, so the first thing is you have to make sure that the market is in the direction. For example, if you're looking for selling opportunities, like in this case, you have to make sure that the market is in a downtrend. Okay, and once the market is in a downtrend, your job is now to look for a rally based drop, right? After look for a rally based drop, then you look for the liquidity right here, and then you wait for the market to come into your zone. And once the market comes into your zone, you wait for the entry signals, and then you'll be able to execute. All right, so what is important here is to make sure that you have a rally based drop. Okay, and then also this rally based drop can be characterized by a QML, low, high, high, and break of structure. And you also have to make sure that the break of structure was caused by big momentum candles. Why? Because when you have big momentum candles in that particular area, it means that there's plenty of smart money in the market, because those are the only people that can cause the market to change direction. Therefore, from the market going to the upside to the downside, it means that the big money was involved in that particular moment. Therefore, there's always unfulfilled orders left at that particular area. So what you have to do is that you go to the lower time frame and find an order block at this level right here. And go to the lower time frame and find the order block. Okay, once you find the order block right here, then you use that and wait for the market to come into that zone. Something important here as well is that you have to make sure that you have liquidity right here. Of course, some setup won't have liquidity, but if it has a liquidity, the high sense of it actually working out. Right, so once you find the liquidity, it can be trailer liquidity, it can be equal highs, it can be a 3 drive, whatever it is. Make sure there is something right there, and then once you have that, you wait for the market to take out the liquidity. And once the liquidity has been taken out, what you have to wait for is that you have to wait for the entry signals right here. Wait for the proper entry signals, and my favorite is a shooting star is my favorite candle for entry. All right, now and once I see that, I predefine my risk and know where my stop loss is going to be at, and will know where my target is going to be at, and I'll keep on executing. And also keeping in mind that the outcome of every trade is random. Therefore, I don't know how that particular trade is going to turn out. Therefore, I have to only execute my strategy. That will give you confidence to be able to execute your strategy every time. This is a perfect high probability setup, and once you master this, trust me, you're going to be a consistently profitable trader. All right, so let me just show you some of the examples of this same setup right here of the previous trades we've taken in the past. Okay, so you can see that right here we had a nice QML low high break of structure. The market came into our area right there, and see what happened after. The market dropped like crazy. Beautiful trade. Right here is another example right here. Nice QML setup with liquidity. Then the market dropped all the way to this level right here. Beautiful. Okay, this is another one right here. Here we have what you call a CPLQ, which is compression plus liquidity. Beautiful right here, and the market actually dropped crazy risk reward ratio. The next trade was here right here. Nice QML plus liquidity, nice drop right there. This is another one right here with a nice QML, nice confirmation right here, nice liquidity, then the market dropped beautifully. Another example is this buy signal right that we had at this level right here. Nice rally based, drop based rally. Then now liquidity was taken out. Then the market came to this level, and then we saw the market going all the way to our take profit. Beautiful. Another one was here. Like, we have a number of examples that I can show you, proof that the strategy actually works and everything. So what you have to do is that take your time and master this strategy. And I'm telling you, once you've mastered this strategy, you are really close to consistency, because this is one of those really good setups right here. But like I always tell you guys, make sure that you do your back testing, because at some point you're going to realize that the market won't be in a good market condition where the market is not going to be responding to your strategy, and you must be able to know that that is happening. Look at this, absolutely beautiful trade. So take your time and master this strategy. And by the way, if you'd like to learn full course of this particular strategy and what you have to look for every time and everything in full details, the first link in the description gives you access to the M&F Forex Mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signal. So the first link in the description gives you access to this full course right here and everything else. All right, so make sure you check out the links down in the description and get started right now. You guys, I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.